Hello again, welcome back to Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet. In today's episode, I will guide you to another easy Thai cooking recipe. And that menu today is school prawn cake with chili and mayonnaise dipping sauce. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. A few days ago, I was looking for a local seafood shop near where I live, and then I stumbled upon one that just located right across the river from where my house is. I normally would go to shop in the Asian grocer, which takes me 30 minutes to drive to get there. Then what I found inside the new shop is that what I've been really looking for in a long time, school prawns. So that comes about for our menu today. Alright, we are going to start off by trimming off antenna, rostrum and legs. This will tidy up the prawns and make it safer to eat without getting poked by the sharp parts. Then I'll wash them off with water before resting them on a strainer. So I feel pretty chill today. It's very straightforward step. So next I will start working on preparing batter. I just grab a tempura flour here, just going to cut it open. This one is weighed about 150 grams, so pour all of them into a mixing bowl. Next, I will gradually pour cold water and mix them until well combined. It shouldn't be too watery or too thick. This is going to help making our prawn cake crispy and crunchy. Feeling and chasing to see beyond out, and gotta be a fool to search beside her. Gotta fix it out. Feeling and chasing to see beyond out, and gotta be a fool to search beside you. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to crack an egg to coat with prawns. Make sure it is evenly coated. Then I'm going to add some red chili paste here. And for those who don't have the paste, you can just go with black pepper or your preferred spice. Make it your own adaptation.
Juste une faille dans mon cœur attend pour la peinture au mur et les bandants qu'une Juste une faille dans
I will add this mixture into the batter and then gently mix together using spatula or spoon. It should look like this.
Feuille tombante, anxiété latente. Pas envie de recommencer ce qu'on ferait les parents, c'est bon, je l'ai vu cru, ça fait aïe, aïe. Moi, de toute façon, j'ai besoin de flow et dessus du temps. J'ai besoin d'être sûr que t'es la bonne pour me faire oublier toutes mes peurs et phares.
Okay, last but not least, don't forget to sprinkle some of the thinly sliced kaffir lime leaves. It will add aromatic as well as mask of seafood odor.
Behind my heart advice, X and drifting memory that I couldn't keep on my.
It is time to cook. I use my trusty saucepan here, add some cooking oil, and then turn the heat up to medium.
I really don't wanna mess it with you, you're my final. Gotta fix it out.
So the life pro tip here, I want to make this cake look like round and very presentable. So I am going to drop a few egg rings in here. This will help keep my prawn cake round and easy to manage. Keep in mind that during frying, hot oil can spitting out, so just be careful. You can use splash guard if you want. I will scoop up using large serving spoon. It should be 2 or 3 prawns per cake, which is enough for bite size. Once you drop them inside the ring, wait until other sides stop sizzling. One thing about prawn is that it won't take long to cook. Don't overcook it though, and don't use too high heat as it will easily burn. And then flip it over. It should look nice and golden brown like this.
Juste une faille dans mon cœur attend.
You are going to keep doing this until you finish the batter. Then we are going to move on to the next step.
Faille tombe et battant. Le stress est accru par l'envie vécu. Une feuille tombante, anxiété latente. Pas envie de recommencer ce confort et les parents, c'est bon, je l'ai vu cru, ça fait aïe, aïe. Moi, de toute façon, j'ai besoin de flow et de suite du temps. J'ai besoin d'être sûr que t'es la bonne pour me faire oublier toutes mes peurs et failles.
Now, to serve this dish is very simple. I am going to mix hot chili sauce with mayonnaise. You can go with sweet chili sauce if you prefer.
Behind my heart it dies. Ex and drifting memory that I couldn't keep on my vinyl. Afraid by baby, my soul is sad and I really don't wanna mess it up with you. You're my final.
Next is to make it look presentable, so I'll let your creativity run wild. So here we go.
Gotta fix it out, feeling and chasing to see beyond loud. And gotta be a fool to search beside you.
Alright guys, this is the end result from our cooking today. This is scoop prawn cake with chili mayo sauce. As usual, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you already have, thank you very much. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it goes. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Juste une faille dans mon cœur attend. Pour la peinture au mur et les bandes qu'une nue. Juste une faille tombe et battant. Le stress est accru par l'envie.